This is
trying to poke me in the face. Time now is 10:39. This will be delayed 10:24 when Echo 3 version trains East Coast to from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross.
possibly also possibly for your 1 Sierra 11 King's Cross Aberdeen.
Maybe that should be about 5 minutes back. Echo 3's first. Goodness knows if they've actually switched an HST on it or not. Where does it get late? 9 at Ulmouth, 10 at Morpeth, 22 at Doncaster. Oh, it is a drag. It sat there for a full 20 minutes. Actually, a full half an hour, come to think of it. 9:32 to Channel 3. This one's a drag. Got away. Sit there for 20 minutes. I'll see you. Okay.
Believe it's over 10 to skip.
Yeah, like a few minutes before Aberdeen. Here's a skip.
Oh, it's an EWS one.
No, there's an
8.
67.008.
82217.
West Riding 9117.
117 West Riding Limited with a tail lamp on it.
Yeah, we're staying down.
Same for Sierra 11 HST.
Hang on a moment. Yes. So now you wait for your slightly late 10:41 Sierra 11 version trains East Coast Toast from London King's Cross to Aberdeen.
And there should be no EMTs.
No.
No. We've got a break. Get a good photo of the 43s. I'm going over it. Lights. And the broken footbridge. There's him. There's it. Is it here yet? Like last time. That's now 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Still at Silly Bank. Where's it gone? Okay, it's here. Then I need to put it back into focus and see what are the 43s. Otherwise, if it's a 91, that means that passengers for Aberdeen to change to Edinburgh for a 43 short set. That'd be well marvellous. If it was a 91. HST 43 313. Thank you. and the cord's shaking.